what, ma? What we have to calculate in this situation? What do you have to calculate, ma, in this situation? Tell ma, what is the question?
Change in momentum.
Change in momentum. Okay.
momentum.
So for calculating change in momentum, what do you need, ma? What are the things we need? Tell, given data, what do we need? For calculating change in momentum, what is the data we need?
Mass of the ball and velocity.
Mass of the ball. Anybody mass of football, how much? What, dude? Nobody is guessing football mass. Tanush, you know, no, dude, football.
800.15 grams.
1 kg ball you are hitting, a dude. Do you play or not?
No, sir.
Oh, so Ryan plays, no? Who goes for football tournament? Somebody guess. Hey, Ryan, you go for Tilda. You play football, no, Ryan? Volleyball, okay. Sorry. Basketball, okay. Basketball weight will be how much, Dadal?
So the football weight is around 500 to 600 grams.
Okay. So some 400 grams we'll take, or 500 grams you can take. Take 500 grams, okay? It will be 400, something like that. Take 500 grams. So we need, what else data we need, Matel? What else data we need?
Velocity of the ball when kicked.
Velocity of the ball when it is passed, correct or not? We need two velocities now. We need two velocities. One velocity is passing velocity, another velocity is
Kicking velocity into the ball.
hitting velocity, correct? Shooting velocity we should know, correct or not? Passing velocity, you have to simply draw the diagram like this. Yeah, you can draw the diagram like this. From here, the ball is being passed. The ball is being passed from here. It was hit like this and it went back into the goal like this, correct or not? So passing velocity you indicate here. Passing velocity, generally, if you see, anybody want to guess the value? Passing velocity. It will be there. It will be very high only. Like let's take 72 km/h means 72 means how much, ma? 5 by 18. 20 meter per second. Okay, passing velocity is 20 meter per second. Let's say he hits back with 30 meter per second. Clear or not, ma? Okay. He passed the ball with 20 meter per second and he hit backs with how much, from 30 meter per second. Okay. Now you need what, ma? At this situation, what do you need? Tell. Hit the ball, right? At this situation, what do you need? Tell. What else you need to calculate change in momentum?
Angle made with the horizon.
Angle we need, correct or not? For angle, what you should have idea, rough idea you should have on what? What rough idea you should have? What rough idea you should have, ma, for finding out the angle? We can't go and measure right there. What is the angle and all? We can't take the protractor and measure the angle over there, correct or not? Then how to tell? Anybody? That's how max is so important, ma. So max is very, very important. In max, particularly, I have already mentioned trigonometry is the most important chapter. It will come everywhere. Tell ma. I need two angles, correct or not? What are the two angles? One is, let's say if I divide this one into two parts here. If I divide this one into two parts like this, one angle is this one. I need two angles. One angle will be this one angle will be this one. Correct or not, ma? I need theta 1 and theta 2. Understood or not? For knowing theta 1 and theta 2, what you should need? How do we calculate angles, ma? How do we calculate angle values? Other than protractor using, how do we calculate?
If it's a right angle triangle, you can
Yeah,
use
right angle. We can make it right angle triangle. No, I can draw a perpendicular straight here. Correct or not? I can draw a perpendicular straight like this. These are two triangles. No, correct or not? Two right angle triangles. No. Understood or not, ma? Two right angle triangles. No. So you need what now? What data you need? What data you need, ma?
Length of sides.
Length of the sides. That is nothing but dimensions of the box, correct or not? That football box dimensions are there, no? Inside box. That dimensions, if you know, you can easily tell, correct or not, no? This is how advanced problems are framed. So please focus and listen. This will be useful in light lesson also. Light lesson also same, no? Light hits the surface and reflect back, correct or not? There also they'll ask what is change in the velocity and all. Okay. Yeah. So dimensions of the ground, I gave it on the top. See here, it's there here, right here. Right here I have given on the top. Can you see or not dimensions? Can you tell what value we need? I will draw it here also. Here is the Messi. Messi is here and he is passing to the person A. Okay. Then I told I want this length. Okay. What is that length, ma? Dimensions. Can you check the dimensions? What is the length of this box? It's a standard values, ma. These are ground values. What is the length of the box?
18.3 meters.
18. Okay. You can take it as 18. This is 18, ma. Length is 18. Full length box. Breadth? Breadth how much, ma?
5.5.
5.5, you take it as 6 meter. Clear or not? Meters I am telling, not in yards. Okay, meter is the thing we use, right, for calculations. Understood or not? Any doubt? So in this triangle, which value we know? We know this one as 6 meters. Understood or not? Got it or not, ma? That is 6 meter. No, what is that? He's hitting from, see, why did I select this one means he's exactly hitting from the line, correct or not? He's exactly hitting the ball from the line. That's why it's easy to tell the distance. So it is 6 meter, correct or not? Then this is how much? Other two. This length is how much? This length is how much? Tell me. Here, if you observe the diagram, this total 18 la, this is how much more? This total 18 la, this part is 6 meters. This part is almost 7. This is also 6, correct or not? 6 plus 7, almost it comes to 18. Okay, with the decimals, if you avoid decimals. Okay, when he is hitting from the ground, I will give you the dimensions or else you calculate. It's easy only. Dimensions is, let's say he is hitting from here. This part will be 2 right angle triangles you can see. One right angle triangle base is, since he is hitting from here, I can take it as 4 ma. Other right angle triangle base is he is hitting like this. So I'll take other right angle triangle base as 6 units. Calculate first. 4. One right angle triangle base is 4 meter. Another right angle triangle base is 6 meter. Tell me, over now. What is cos theta? What is the initial momentum? Initial momentum is how much? Initial momentum how much, ma? Mass into velocity, correct or not? What is m value? What is v value, Tanush?
Sir, MS 500 grams and
500 grams means how much, ma? You should not take grams, correct or not?
yeah,
Take half kg
0.5.
into
Sir, 20.
20, correct or not, ma? This is not proper momentum. This is just what, ma? Whatever I calculated is just, come on, ma. Whatever I calculated is just
Initial momentum.
initial momentum, but it is only what, ma? Magnitude, correct or not? It's just only the magnitude. It is not in terms of vector, correct or not? See, you should not calculate. Again, I am pointing out the same thing. Sir, initial momentum is, I'll calculate half into 20. What is final momentum, ma? What is final momentum? How much?
15.
Half into
15 kg.
half into 30. So it will be 15 kg per meters per second. If I say then what is change in momentum? change in momentum, if you say 15 minus 10, it is wrong. That is what I was pointing it out. Correct or not in all the problems? Clear or not, ma? Why? Because they are not horizontal or vertical to directly subtract like that. Correct or not, ma? So what we should do? We should do vector resolution. Understood or not, ma? The pass is given with 10 kg meter per second momentum and it is being shot with 15 kg meter per second momentum. Just because of that, you can't say change in momentum is 5 kg meter per second. That will be wrong. Vector subtraction you have to do. Clear or not, ma? You have to do vector subtraction. Clear, ma? Yeah. Let's do that. Yeah. This was hit with 10 kg meter per second. Let's take this one as theta 1. This is theta 1. Instead of these things, we'll calculate angles over here. So is this. Yeah. I want angle theta 1 here and I want angle theta 2 here. And the dimensions of this and this are one was 6, another one was 4, and this middle value how much more? Middle value how much?
6.
This is 6. This reflected momentum is reflected momentum is
15
15 kg.
meter per second.
Yeah, tell me what to do. First, initial momentum. Can you tell me, Sanjana? Initial momentum. See, you have to be careful with only one thing. That is, what is sine theta, what is cos theta. That is what you should be careful. MV is how much, ma?
MV is 10.
10, correct or not? MV1 is 10. Okay. It will have two components, right? It will have two components. One component will be towards. Tell me how will be the components. One component will be towards.
Minus
See the
10.
vector. No. See the vector. One is C here. This is the 10, right? This is the 10, initial 10. So its components will come. One will come towards. Components, ma. One will be towards. J cap, answer
Right.
like that. I cap, correct or not? Next one.
I
Another
cap.
component will come. J
J cap.
cap, correct or not? Which this angle is theta means this angle is theta 1, correct or not, ma? Understood or not? This angle is theta 1. Tell. 10. 10.
10 cos theta.
Cos theta 1 I cap.
Cos
Next.
theta 1 I cap plus
Plus.
10 cos theta 1
Why cos,
J cap.
ma?
Sorry, sin theta 1 J cap.
Understood or not, ma? Any doubt? Simple only, no. Next. Tell Tanush, final momentum. Final momentum. Initial momentum I'm done, ma. Okay. Final momentum is over here. Tell
Sir, 15 into cos
15
into cos theta 2 I
cos
cap.
theta 2.
I cap.
Come on, dude. Come on.
The-
So Ryan, can you tell?
Minus I cap, sir.
Aditya, can you tell? Correct. What is that?
Minus I cap, sir.
Minus I cap. No, we'll get left to left
Yeah.
side, right?
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Till the vertical component.
Yes, I'm just saying the sign, sir.
One cos means one sine. Oh, sine you are checking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Till. Next one will be definitely 15
Yes, sir.
sine theta 2. We know that. Till I cap but J
And
cap.
theta 2 J cap.
J cap, sir.
It will be J cap, correct or not, ma? Because it will come upwards, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not, ma? Any doubt? Simple, no, ma. Vector resolution you have to learn, ma. Force will resolute, momentum will resolute. Velocity we will resolute. Resolution we will do with every vector. If it is neither straight, neither horizontal or not vertical, every time we will resolute the vector. So now I need values of what, ma? What are the values we need?
Theta 1 and theta 2.
Theta 1. Can you tell Arpita what is sin theta 1?
4 by root 52.
Very good. 4 by how much, ma, others? Root 52, correct or not? Cos theta, sorry, sin theta, right? How much it will be, ma? Sanjana? Pragna, how much will be sin theta 2 and cos theta 2, ma?
6 by
Hmm.
6 root 2.
Which is our 6 by 6.
By
Means
root
what will you get? 1 by root 2. That means what will you get? We can guess the angle here, correct or not? In this we can guess the angle. How much it is? Both are 6, no, ma? Both are 6 means in rectangle, triangle, two things are 6.
45.
45 degrees.
45.
45.
Clear or not, ma? Means 45 degrees. If we substitute these values here, over, ma, answer. Understood or not? That's it. No, after that you know how to subtract vectors, right? Okay, let's substitute until first. Let's simplify a bit until. First one will be how much? 10. 10 into 6 how much? 60 by root 2 I cap. 60 by 50 root 52 root 2 I cap, and then 60 by 52 root 2 root 52 root 52 root 52 j cap. Another one, ma, p final. P final. P final. Come on. P final how much?
Minus 15 by root 2 I cap
Minus 15 by root 2 I cap
plus 15 by root 2 I
Plus
cap.
15 by
J
2
cap.
j cap.
j cap. If we subtract these two, we'll get change in momentum along x direction. We'll get change in momentum along y direction also. We'll get. We are going to do this in collisions. Collisions also we will be doing this. Clear or not? Can we convert root 50 to what is the simplest form? Root 50 to what is the simplest form?
2 root 13.
2 root 13. Okay, then it's difficult only. You can leave it like that or subtract and keep it. Sometimes answer they'll give my answers in questions, you know what will they give? They'll give final answer as change in momentum. They'll give with big expressions, they will give. It's there in MCQs, it will be there. Delta P, they'll give it as 60 by 52 root 52 plus 15 by root 2 I cap. Other one is what, ma? What is the other one? I did some mistake. You people are not telling. Come on. P initial how much?
40 by root 52.
40 by root 2. Correct or not? 40 by root 2 it is. Not 60 by root 2. I multiplied it. What will be I cap? J cap? J cap will be what, ma? What, ma? Do vector subtraction addition difficult till after writing vectors.
So shouldn't it be minus 15 by root 2 minus 60 by root 52 I cap?
I didn't understand now. Oh, P final plus P initial. Okay, correct only. Okay, no problem. Correct only. Next step.
15 by root 2 minus 40 by root 52 J cap.
Yeah, 15 by root 2 minus 40 by root 52. More than difficult than this, nobody will ask. Even advanced also they won't ask. Clear or not, ma? They'll give different momentums at different angles. That is the ultimate situation you are going to get. Got it or not? Okay, different momentums inclined at different angles. That is the ultimate situation. So you might have to use trigonometry if you don't know angles. Clear or not? If you don't know angles, they might give you dimensions. Then with the dimensions, you should be able to find angles. Clear, ma, model?